you can choose the styles you just download in your phone, and it will change to the styles. Yeah.
It can quickly find what the document is, and you just put the document into the YOYO systems. Here, I will speak Chinese, and you can get the English in behind of the screens immediately, like this. Our YOYO system, we all developed the YOYO system, can quickly identify what the question is, and here, it will quickly identify what the question is and give you the quickly right answer and also detailed analysis.
Monitor your health data, like your heart rate or something. Yeah. And when you wear this, you can use it to swipe here.
It's now going to detect my face using AI.